Okay, so we'll be going with the defects of the Rutherford atomic theory. Till the last we were done till what does Rutherford explain and what was his defects we'll be discussing in this video. So first was that he just says that if electron, if this is the orbit and this is the nucleus and electron is here, when just electron revolves around the around the nucleus, so of course electron passes flow and energy. So why this does not fall to the down another electron, why does that not? So it was his defect. Okay, if you could not understand in this way I will write. So electron is a charge. Electron is a charged particle and that move around the nucleus, move around the nucleus, move around the nucleus and in a spherical path, in a spiral path and fall ultimately into the nucleus. Into nucleus. So now what does that say? That electron is a charged particle, as we also even know that. So if it's a charged particle and that's moving, it's moving. So why, if it's moving in a spherical form, and why it does not fall down? So what would be its reason why it does not fall? And that Rutherford could not explain. So this was his first theory, like first defects of his theory. So his second defect was that if this is an spectrum, okay, these are the two spectrum. Okay, so the question was, or the defect, like what does he did not explain, that atom is in the atom emits energy in the continuously form, like that would be continuous spectrum. Just let me make it. Oh sorry. If we have the particles, oh sorry, not particles, we have spectrum. This is having a red color, this is having yellow color, this is having green, blue, okay, this color. But the yellow color sometimes can be seen here, whereas yellow is only in this part, it seems from here. If we have red here, that seems in from this side as well, just because this is in the continuous form. Okay, and this one is line spectrum, where this means these are part like completely divided, that cannot be seen from that part. So if you could not understand, let me write it, that atom emit energy. Atom emit energy. Okay, atom emit energy, that is continuously. Atom emit energy continuously. Okay, and it flow it so it follow sorry so it follow it flow continuously spectrum. Okay, then but and actually that form line spectrum, but actually line spectrum is made, line spectrum is formed. Okay, so now what does this mean? As I told you, if we have the spectrum, which is line spectrum, this one is line spectrum and this one is continuous spectrum. Okay, so what does this mean? In this, if this is the yellow color and this is the red, okay, so from if you look from this, we can also see red color here, like in this part. In this we can see red, here we can see yellow as well. But in this one, this is the line, this means we cannot look into another color in this spectrum. So if atom emit energy in the continuous, so this means it should follow continuous spectrum. Okay, but no, the right is that it have line spectrum, not continuously spectrum. Why?